5 most commonly asked questions. Number 1 is how many chickens do I need? Now, rule of thumb, it depends on how many eggs you need, but 3 is a very good starting number. If you go and you purchase 2, it's a bit like being married. You're going to have 1 bossy hen and 1 submissive hen, and it's just not nice constantly being nagged all the time. Have 3 chickens and you've got a bit of a flock going on, so it dilutes the natural behaviour. Number 2, do I need a cockerel? Well, no, you don't. Your girls will lay eggs naturally whether you have a cockerel around or not. Cockerels do help with stopping arguments with the girls, but they also wake you up very, very early and can upset neighbours. So unless you specifically want to breed, the answer is no, you don't really need one. Number 3, do I need permission to keep chickens? You need to check the deeds of your house for that. If you live in the towns and built up areas, sometimes there are stipulations that you can't in your deeds. Most of the time in the country, it's absolutely fine. Number 4, how long will my chickens live? Well, it depends on the breed of chicken. You're looking at hybrids to be living for about 4 or 5 years because they don't take a natural break in egg laying. But purebreds go on much longer. 8 to 9 years isn't uncommon, and that's because they take a natural break from egg laying. The 5th question is, where do I buy my chickens from? It's really important to check out the premises of where you're getting your chickens. Make sure you're happy with how they're being kept. It's a bonus, and a good breeder will always offer aftercare and give you a phone number to ring, and that's really important.